At 18, I had $0 in my bank account, a phone full of distractions, and a brain full of dreams. Sound familiar? But here's the twist. One decision changed everything, and no, it wasn't starting a YouTube channel or dropshipping overnight. The truth? Most people waste the most powerful years of their life scrolling, while others quietly start building empires from a shared bedroom. This video is your wake-up call, because if you don't earn your first dollar early, you'll be stuck chasing dollars forever. Let's talk reality. Most 18-year-olds are sold the fantasy: college, party, graduation, job, success. But that timeline is outdated and then it's dangerous. Here's what they don't tell you. If you don't start learning how to make money at 18, you're already behind. Not just behind your peers, but behind the version of you that could have been financially free by 30. Imagine turning 28 and realizing you've spent a decade working jobs you hate because you never figured out how to earn outside a paycheck. Yeah, scary stuff. But hey, at least your Call of Duty rank is elite, right? Pause. Don't worry, we're flipping your script today. Here's the good news. You don't need a rich dad, a trust fund, or a 10-year plan to start making money. What you need is value. And value is a skill, not a secret. At 18, the easiest way to make your first income? Freelancing. Learn a high-demand skill: video editing, graphic design, copywriting, even social media management. Then sell it online. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even DM local businesses. Offer your work for free at first. Build a portfolio. The first $10 is the hardest. The next $1,000 feels inevitable. When I made my first $50 editing a video for a stranger online, I felt like I had unlocked a cheat code. Not just income, independence. I realized I could build my own economy. And no, your mom still won't count that as a real job until you pay her rent in cash. But this journey isn't just about skills. It's about mindset. Because your biggest asset at 18 isn't time, it's direction. Most people wake up at 30 and wish they started at 18. But you're here now. That's your edge. If you start earning early, even if it's just $50 a week, you unlock compound confidence. And that's more powerful than compound interest. Each dollar you earn isn't just money, it's proof that you can create. Not just consume. You stop waiting for Friday, you stop needing permission. You start playing offense, in life and in wealth. And speaking of wealth, what if I told you the real money isn't in how much you earn, but how early you start investing it? There's a concept called the power of compounding. And it's how average earners retire rich while high earners retire broke. If you're serious about building wealth, not just income, click on the video on your screen right now. The power of compounding, how time can make you rich. Because your future self isn't waiting for you, he's watching what you do next.